In this tutorial, I'm going to be answering this question and showing you how to make massive 3x3 Instagram posts. God damn diggity. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is go into the App Store and type in 9square for Instagram and then download it, because it's the app that you're going to be using to perform that effect. Once it's finished installing, open it up and then we'll move on to the next step. Once it's opened up, what you need to do is select the picture that you want. For me, it's going to be this picture. And at the bottom, you can see the different aspect ratios: 3x1, 3x2, 3x5. For this purpose, we're going to be doing 3x3, which is going to literally take up 9 whole space on Instagram, which is what we want. Select the framing and then hit done. Once you've done that, you're going to see that the app starts to put it together, and you see you have 9 individual squares of the aspect ratio that you picked. If you click on one of them, it automatically takes you onto Instagram. You can start posting images one by one, which is really good. It's quick, easy, and efficient. This is probably the best app that I found. Alternatively, you can save it to your SD card, go to your gallery, and you'll be able to post it manually. But for me, I don't think this is the best way to do it because the order's all messed up. So I would prefer to just do it within the app. It's much easier. Anyway guys, if you like this video, share, subscribe, comment, like. If you want to see me make another tutorial, then let me know in the comments below. Peace.